Morning everybody, hope you're all alright, hope everybody's well. Video this morning, obviously Jensen's got on, so I'll do another one for lads who are interested in Jensen's. As you can see, there's been some paint thrown about. Boats, all inside the boats, front cockpits all done. You know, well, you saw before, I think gearbox were in before, won't it? Obviously we're on the wheels as well now, and body panels, I mean your doors, gaps are a bit all over, but I mean same with this wing, but I've got to square out gaps up now, but we're on as first fit at body panels. I don't lower balancing, I mean it all fits pretty good, but I've got to like knit it all up like this to really make a job of it. I mean, I've got these wing tops. I've shown you them before. Well, they're on this. They're both there on. I mean, they're meant to fit the wings rather than the inner wings, because I think it's had a bit of work at time. I think it's had a bit of a knock on this corner. As you can see, all the lower parts. And I mean, I've been round dollying about a bit this morning. I have a few bits to square up, and I need some 3/16 bolts to fasten these on. That'll obviously go back. There's got all tweaks and last bits, but back wings are now fixed in position. Obviously, doors are swinging. Like you can see, everything's sorted. I mean, client whose car it is actually has been down today, and I've given him a load of stuff to take on to clean up. There's no point in paying me my rates when he can just clean stuff up himself. As you can see, I mean, all wings are just on, Clydeco's just holding on. Back wings. I mean, you might think it's a bit hiddly-piddly hard I work with paint, but there's like a chrome trim down here, so I've made sure red's below. So I try to make everything as sealed as I possibly can. You know, these will be seam sealed, then redded up. But as you can see, obviously all running gears, I mean brakes are done, and all flexes are on. Obviously calipers are refurbed. I don't know if I showed you rack. I've refurbed racks all done, new track rod ends. A bit difficult probably to get you to shot at calipers with wheels on, but I can assure you, you can see down there, there's a caliper. Well, you probably can't pick it up, probably need a light. I've got a light somewhere. Have a look. Says where my camera went, good. See calipers there, they've all been redone. Sorted wheels and all running gears sorted. Obviously I've got coupling up under here once I've done and painted, and then everything will get fixed on here, and then onto the final body. I mean, the wings, there's a few little tweaks, but as I've showed you earlier, these gaps, but I'm wading through it all. I mean, it is a Series 1, and they are slightly different down around this area, but here's a proper look for you. Obviously it's off spit, and I'll do another one. I mean, well, like I've said before, there's not much on Jensen's, and it'll be a bit of something for people who have Healeys to have a look at. But there you go, quick fly around. 72 I think it is, this one. I'm sure it's a 72 Healey, and progress and what's gone off and what ain't gone off. So give us a like if you like what I do. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll try and keep stuff coming on for you. So there you have it, folks. Thanks very much for having a look. Catch you all later, and bye for now.